Today's topic is intestinal worms, and a common question we get is, can natural foods cure them? Let's dive into the science behind intestinal worms and explore safer, more effective solutions. Intestinal worms, unwanted guests in your gut. Intestinal worms are a common problem worldwide, especially in areas with poor sanitation. Intestinal worms are parasites that live inside your intestines, feeding off nutrients you ingest. While typically harmless in small numbers, they can cause discomfort and health problems in severe cases. Symptoms to watch out for: abdominal pain, diarrhea, nausea and vomiting, weight loss, fatigue, itching around the anus, especially at night. While medication is often necessary, certain natural foods can support your body in fighting off these parasites. Number 1. Garlic. First on our list is garlic. Garlic has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various ailments, including intestinal worms. It contains allicin, a compound with strong antimicrobial properties. Studies have shown that garlic can help expel parasites by creating an unfriendly environment into your intestines. You can consume raw garlic cloves or add them to your meals to gain its benefits. Number 2. Papaya seeds. Next up, papaya seeds. These tiny seeds pack a powerful punch when it comes to fighting intestinal worms. They contain an enzyme called papain, which help breaks down the worms and their eggs. You can eat papaya seeds raw, blend them into a smoothie, or dry them and grind them into a powder to sprinkle on your food. Be sure to start with a small amount as they have a strong taste and can be quite potent. Number 3. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are another excellent natural remedy for intestinal worms. They contain cucurbitacin, a compound that has been shown to paralyze worms, making them easier to eliminate from the body. Eating a handful of raw pumpkin seeds on an empty stomach can help in flushing out these parasites. You can also add them to your salads or smoothies for an extra health boost. Number 4. Turmeric. Turmeric is well known for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, can help combat intestinal worms and soothe the digestive tract. Incorporate turmeric into your diet by adding it to your curries, soups or smoothies. Number 5. Coconut. Coconut is another potent food that can help treat intestinal worms. Both coconut oil and grated coconut have anti-parasitic properties. Start your day by eating a tablespoon of grated coconut followed by a glass of warm water. You can also use coconut oil in cooking or take a teaspoon of it on an empty stomach for added benefits. Number 6. Carrots. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. This nutrient is essential for a healthy immune system and can help fight off parasites. Eating raw carrots on an empty stomach can help eliminate worms. You can also drink fresh carrot juice or add grated carrots to your salads, preventing worms infestations. Here are some tips to minimize your risk of intestinal worms. Wash your hands thoroughly before eating and preparing food. Cook meat thoroughly to save internal temperatures. Wash fruits and vegetables properly. Practice good hygiene, especially after using the bathroom. Wear shoes when walking barefoot in areas with potentially contaminated soil. While natural foods might hold some promise, they shouldn't be your first line of defense against intestinal worms. And there you have it. These natural foods can be powerful ally in treating intestinal worms. Incorporate them into your diet and see the difference they can make. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more health tips and natural remedies. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.